Kyra. Uh-oh, Mommy's gonna sneeze. Ah. 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 Kyra. Uh-oh. Ah. Ah. She thinks it's funny if I sneeze. Ah. And then instead of blowing snot in her face, we just... That's silly. Alright, hey. Can I get a high five? Good job. Alright. Bye-bye.